What is going on, boys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, what we're going to be doing is changing the front badge on my grille. Now I've got the new badge in this box just here, but if anyone owns one of these cars, you'll know that over time the surround of the badge is actually chrome, and that starts to almost like peel away. It goes like a white rust. I'll put a clip overlay in now so you can see what that looks like. I've got the new one in the box, like I said. Also, when I was scraping my car yesterday so I could go to work. As you can see, I've started to scrape off the edges of my sticker. So that was a bit of a fail, but we're going to get a new sticker ordered. It might not be the same one, but we'll change that. We might take it off today, depending if we can get some warmer weather. As you can see, it's actually snowing outside, so it is bloody cold. We'll try and get this badge on nice and swift and put the gel overlay, like you can see I've got a gel overlay here. We'll take that off the old one and put it on the new one. But if you do happen to like this video, obviously drop it a like down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. That's enough rambling, let's get straight into the video. Okey coke, so the first thing I'm going to need to do is obviously pop the bonnet. Fuck, oh, it's actually worked. Oh my god, I don't believe it. Many of you guys have seen my video where I spray my strut base. I literally have a bit of a mare trying to get this open, so we'll just pull that open. There we go. So this grill here literally just clips out, which I'll show you in just a second. So you've got a clip on the top left there, clip on the top right there, and then literally just yank it out pretty much. Obviously try not to destroy your car in the process. There we have it, that's the grill. Right, so I've got my flathead, and as I suspected correctly, what I'm starting to do, mind the screwdriver, don't pay any attention to that. But what I've started to do, as you can see, is just sort of dig at that. I can't do it whilst holding the camera, and then I'll dig at that one as well. And then what I'll do is just pop that in there and pry that out like that. It's a little bit difficult to do whilst holding the camera, so let me just go ahead and do this, and I'll come back to you once I've got that off. Now, as you can see, I've managed to get those clips off, and voila, there goes the grill. That's the old one. As you can see, it's pretty destroyed, but I have got the gel overlay on that, so I'm going to try and get that off, and then I've got some double-sided tape to stick on the new one. But let me just grab the new one out of the car. Right, so I've got the new badge, got the new grill. What I'm going to do is just going to pop that in there, make sure it's the right way up, sit that in there, and then what we need to do, so it's looking great already actually, I quite like that, and then obviously what we need to do is put those clips back on. So let's just grab those. It's bloody freezing, so I've got a coat on and got me it up as well. So I've just popped them on there, and then I think what I need to do is just tighten them back up with the flathead screwdriver. Pop those on there and then push that down. I don't know how much you can see of this, but I'll show you what I'm doing in just a second. I'm literally just jabbing that down and jabbing that one down, so that's on. I think that should do it actually. So we've got the new grill on, as you can see just there, looking pretty damn fresh. I've actually come to the decision that I'm not going to put this on, just because, as you can see, it looks quite nasty, so I don't see the point of putting that on a brand new badge. So what we're going to do is just put the grill back on as it is at the moment, and then we'll order a new stick-on bit. So let's just put that back on now. So what we're going to do is literally clip it on the same way, so make sure you've got that lever to open the bonnet on the top half, and then literally line up the clips, and then what that will do is just pop in, make sure that these little bits pop into the bumper on the other side, so you're not left with anything poking out. Same on that side, and then just see if there is anything else that wants clicking in. I think there we have it. Looking fresh, boys. Looks much better. So that's going to do it for today's video actually. So there we have it, boys. What we've done is managed to change the grille Was thinking about spraying it, but we're not going to do that now. But if you have enjoyed, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.